Welcome to Healthy Foods YouTube channel. Here is a simple recipe for green bean casserole. Ingredients: 4 cups fresh green beans, trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 can 10.5 ounces cream of mushroom soup. 1 2-cup milk. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 3 crispy fried onion, store-bought or homemade. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Boil the green beans in salted water for about 5 minutes, then drain and place in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Drain again. 3. In a mixing bowl, combine the cream of mushroom soup, milk, soy sauce, and black pepper. 4. Add the blanched green beans to the mixture and stir until well coated. 5. Transfer the green bean mixture to a greased baking dish. 6. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes or until the mixture is hot and bubbly. 7. Remove from the oven and sprinkle the crispy fried onions on top. 8. Return to the oven and bake for an additional 5 minutes or until the onions are golden brown. 9. Serve and enjoy your homemade green bean casserole. Feel free to adjust the seasonings or add cheese for a twist. Enjoy your cooking. Here are 3 potential benefits of green bean casserole. 1. Nutrient-rich. Green beans are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They contribute essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. The casserole retains more of these nutrients compared to other cooking methods, providing a wholesome side dish. 2. Ease of preparation. Green bean casserole is a relatively simple dish to make, making it a convenient option for busy cooks. The use of cream of mushroom soup and crispy fried onions can save time without compromising on flavor, making it a practical choice for various occasions. 3. Versatility and customization. This dish is versatile and can be easily customized to suit personal preferences. You can experiment with different seasonings, add cheese or bacon for extra flavor, or even incorporate alternative ingredients to make it vegetarian or gluten-free, catering to a diverse range of dietary needs and preferences.